Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open any browser in your system and search Chrome Web Store. Then click on this first link, Chrome Web Store. Then the website will open. Click on search bar on the top right hand side and search YT Watch Later Assist. After that, click on this extension. Here you will see Add to Chrome. Click on it, then a pop-up will appear. Click on Add Extension and you can see extension added to Chrome. Now open new tab and go to youtube.com. Here you will see watch later option on the left side. Click on it and then you will be able to see your watch later videos on YouTube. And after adding the extension, you will see this option to remove all videos. Click on it and your all watch later videos will be deleted. Here you can see 2 videos removed. And this is how you can remove all watch later videos on YouTube.